I hope you have understood the yesterday's topic. So now today I am going to tell you about the firewall and its significance in computer security. So let us begin with the session. Firewall is a kind of hardware or software. It is both hardware and software. Few of you may have some confusion that it is a software which is already we see in the control panel in computer. So no, it comes in a hardware device also to control the network traffic. Whenever your computer is connected to a network, network means it can be LAN or WAN, it can be internet or it can be LAN network or internet, which is WAN. So whenever your computer is connected to internet, then we are knowing that there are more chances of getting the system attacked by the particular kind of virus. So that is the reason we have the firewall which controls the network traffic, and it helps or protects our system from the hacker attack. Is also very much valuable. It plays a very important role for you can say it will not allow any unauthorized person to access your system and download anything from the internet. For example, that in your computer system, when you are connected to the network, then there are two users into a system. First is the admin and another is a guest user. So suppose another user is trying to access your system and he is trying to download something from the internet. So firewall will not allow the other user to download anything. Any unauthorized access will not be allowed to download anything. Maybe online downloading. Suppose now there are very many other viruses also which get themselves downloaded from the internet to your system. You may have seen many softwares or many apps which will come into your computer system or into your mobile phones which you have not downloaded. So why it came into a computer system? Because there are some software which are capable of, there are some viruses which are that much capable that they can download themselves. So if your firewall settings are not on in control panel, then it will be downloaded, and if it is, the settings are on, the computer, your computer will not allow any unauthorized viruses, any software, even if they are capable, then it will not be downloaded into your computer system. So that is how it is very important, plays a very important role in computer security scheme. Controls the network traffic, prevents you from the online attack, and any unauthorized software or an unauthorized person will not be able to download anything on the internet till that time your firewall will be disabled. Okay, so moving forward to one more topic, that is convergence of technology. Many of you have confusion that what is convergence of technology. When two distinct things, two different things are combined together into a single one, then it is called as convergence of technology. So when two different things come together and form a single technology, that is called as convergence of technology. Now, what will be the example of convergence of technology? For example, you can say that there are different kind of peoples who are placed different where. For example, you as being a student, you are studying at home, your friend is studying in his home, so you all are bifurcated right now, but when you all will come together in one class, so you will make a crowd, so that is called as, you can say, convergence. Now convergence of technology in computer terms, we call it when two or different kind of apps or facilities came together in a single device, then it will be called as convergence. Now what is the technological convergence? What is the era of convergence? How it came together into a single device? You can see that you can say that for depositing the amount to the bank account, we have to go to the bank for pay the bills of LIC. Then we have to, suppose we have to pay our insurance, then we have to go to the LIC firm. So that is how our work were bifurcated. But all those work were now developed when the technological era has converted. All those work were converted into a different kind of apps, and now all those apps can be downloaded in a single device, which is your mobile or tablet. So that is what we call as convergence of technology. The technology has converted itself, the different works which were For paying the insurance, you have to go to the LIC office, but there also the computer is being used for paying the insurance. They are doing the entry. Now for depositing your amount, you go to bank. There also they are using the computer for paying, for inserting the amount whatever you are depositing. Now whatever you are doing, you are going to the bank, or you're going to the offices physically and doing the work. However, they are also inserting it online. But now all those works can be done at the comfort of the home on a single device. So that is called as convergence of technology. I hope you have understood these topics. If you have any query related to any topic of chapter 1 to 6, I am saying it again, send me the queries today, tomorrow, so that I can finish it off, and send me your homework also, and we'll start the writer 1 chapter on Monday. Okay, so revise it. Thank you so much.